This is awesome. BOA has a lifetime guarantee on their closure devices. So today I'm going to replace mine on a specialized shoe. Now I went ahead and emailed BOA and they responded back quickly, provided them with all the proper information, and they sent me my kit. You'll see that you get a set of two. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver. Open up the BOA and remove it from the shoe. Pops right off. Being that that's a left shoe, this has the L on it. We'll use that one. Once you have the old one off, you just take your new one, line it up. We'll just press. There it is. Works perfectly. That's how you install your new BOA.